Children, moving on to the next one. Please write the answer for this. Children, write the answer for this. Now, I think almost all of you have got the one as the answer. But what if I write it this way?
Sir, it will still be 1.
Type in the answers, please. Please type in the answers. How about this, children? Yeah. So this is 1 minus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, this will get cancelled. I have 1 here. Here, this is 1. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. So 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So I have 1. Children, moving on. Try this question, please. Children, if you have not got the answer, please type a no in the chat box. I'll help you out. Don't worry. Please type a no in the chat box so that I can help you. So, children, what we can do here is now 3 to the power 3 power 2. So what will be the answer for this, children? Just for this bracket.
2 minutes.
Okay. Take your time. Yeah. Children, I'm doing it now. So 3 power 3 to the power 2. So this becomes, children, this becomes 3 power 6. Is everybody with me here? Please observe me on the board now. 5 square as it is. Unmana, check your answer. So now, children, 9 square is there. Okay. Now 9 can be written as this. Can I write this? Okay, I'll write it this way so that it is easy. So 9 square is there. Children, can I write 9 as 3 square? 3 square.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, 9 square can be written as 3 square whole square. So this becomes what, children? This becomes 3 power 4. Okay. So that means what I have here, 3 power 4 into 5. I have 3 power 4 into 5. Okay. Now 3 power 6 is here and 3 power 4 is here. So that means what? This becomes 3 power 6 minus 4 into 5 power 2 minus 1, because I have 1 here. So children, this becomes what? 3 square into 5 power 1. Let me write this clearly. So this is what? 3 square is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. This is equal to 45. Children, moving on. Scientific notation. Children, this is easy. Come on. I want everybody of you to do it. 9.9 into 10 power 8. Okay. Priscilla, Unmana, Arna, Syed. So, children, I can write this as 99 into. Now, children, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. So, write 10 power 7. Syed, observe me, please. So, I have 99 here and I have 7 zeros. So, I'll write it as 99 into 10 power 7. Now, since I need only 1 digit after the decimal, 1 digit before the decimal, I'm sorry. So, I will write this as 9.9 into 10 power 8. 9.9 into 10 power 8. Children, is that okay? Write in standard form. Children, standard form is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1 by 10's place, that thing. Okay. So children, if I ask you to write it in the expanded form, please write the expanded form as well. Write also the expanded form. Please write the expanded form also. So children, as most of you have written it, it is what? Children, I'm shifting this point 4 places. 4 places so that I can get it as 3.90878 into 10 power 4. Then remember how many digits you are shifting this point. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Children, try to write the expanded form. Unmana, you have written P there instead of, I think, plus, I suppose you wrote P, if I'm not wrong. So children, as Unmana has written it, it is, see here I have it as 30,000, right? So 3 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 1, okay, I write it as 7 into 1 plus, then 0.8 is there, so I'll write it as 8 into, I write it as 8 into 1 by 10. So, children, if I ask you to write it in the exponential form, how do you write it now? Please write it in exponential form now. Children, please write it in exponential form now. How do you write it in exponential form? Please try this.
So can you repeat what you just said?
I am asking you to write it in exponential form. I have written in standard form is this one. This is the expanded form. Now I want you to write it in exponential form. Take a minute, children. This is not difficult. Priscilla, we need to write it in exponential form. This is the standard form. I think almost all of you have got it correctly. This is the expanded form. Now I want you to write in exponential form. How do you write this? So children, how do we write this? I write 3 into 10 power 4 because I have 4 zeros here, children, plus 9 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2. Children, there is no digit in the hundreds place. That's why it is 0 plus 8 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0 plus 8 into 10 power minus 1. Children, those who have understood, type a yes in the chat box, please. The different forms, the standard form, the expanded form, and the exponential form. Please type a yes in the chat box. How about Priscilla and Arna? Okay. Children, come on. Try the answer for this. It's easy. Into 8th multiple of 2. Yeah, the answer is not in the options. I think they must have made a mistake. It cannot be all of these. Answer is 16, 64. Okay. So children, let us see here. Children, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 4 into 8 power 0 is 1, 6 power 0 is 1. So that is 1 into 8th multiple of 2 is 16. Children, the answer is 64. Children, the answer is 64 here. See, there's a product. Product means multiplication. Okay. Children, moving on. Yeah, I think this is the final one. We'll do this and we'll wind up for today. This is a good one. Children, solve it brackets by brackets. It is easy. So children, what do we do here is, children, 1 by 3 is what? 1 by 3 is 3 to the power minus 1. 1 by 3 is 3 to the power minus 1, and I have a minus 3 here. That means what? 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 3. So children, this becomes minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. So this becomes 3 power 3. Similarly, 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 power minus 1 to the power minus 3. So children, this is minus 1 into minus 3. This is 3. So 2 power 3. So 3 power 3 is 27 children. And 2 power 3 is 8. Okay. And I have 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. That means what? 4 power minus 1 to the power minus 3. So 4 power minus 1 into minus 3 is 4 power 3. 4 power minus 1 into minus 3 is 4 power 3. So children, let us put these values in the brackets now. So 27 minus 8 is 19. And 4 cube is 64. So children, the answer is 19 by 64.